Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen from VanVeenBulbs.com, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to protect outdoor plants from freezing. So if you live in a mild climate where you just get a little bit of freeze and you don't want to dig up everything, an easy way to protect your plants is just to cover them up if there's a forecast of any freezing weather. If it's a short spell, they can make it. So it could be just a matter of covering up your canna lilies with a sheet. So if you live where I do in the Northwest, where we usually have real mild winters and we only get a little bit of frost, by just covering them up if there's a forecast with a sheet last minute, that usually is enough to protect them from freezing. Now, if it's going to freeze for a long period, that's not going to work. Now, what I've done with my dahlia beds after years of experience, I've learned in the fall when they start turning really tacky and the greenery doesn't look good, I chop them all down, cover the whole bed with the greenery, and then I just use a plastic tarp and I tarp the whole bed so it is bone dry all winter. The key with flowers and bulbs is to keep them dry over the winter. So most plants can handle cold temperatures if they're dry. It's just when they're cold and they turn into an ice cube, they turn into slime when they defrost. So by covering things with plastic or sheets, or even put some insulation around them, try to use anything that's earth friendly more than anything, because you don't want to leave any pollution wherever you're at, you will find that you can protect your plants real easily. And if it's a matter of just growing a canna lily and you know it's not going to make it in the winter, just throw it in a pot, throw the pot dry in the garage somewhere and it's not going to freeze. And you can turn around and plant it that next spring and it'll come up right away. It's really as easy as that.